Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. And today I will be talking about how you can turn your interests into a podcast that pays. Podcasting doesn't have to be complicated, says international living with a microphone, laptop, and free recording software. You'll be up and running. Plus, podcasts don't need to run every day. Once a week is the best and are uh, better when they're short. There are a number of ways to make money from a podcast. The most obvious is that sponsorship, but you can also use it as a platform to advertise your own podcast or service. NPR has a great guide to launching a podcast here. And a number two tip is today is how you can set up a content and web development business. You don't know how to do a web and content developing. You can offer these services to anyone via online tools that make developing beautiful websites a snap. Some resources include WordPress, Weebly, and Joomla. And another, we have a couple of topics here we will be talking about. And another is how you can become a translator and a interpreter. Do you and do you speak another language or any other you might know that other people don't know, the language that you know? Anywhere you can find and that exact communities, and where English is not the first language, you'll find a need for interpreting and translation services. You can also do translation and interpretation online. You'll find a number of resources for being a translator or a interpreter here. One of the best is Willow we localize, which ranked at the top of the list of the top 20 companies for remote jobs in 2020. And another thing you can try is drop shipping. Have you heard of drop shipping? It's a method of retail where the sellers doesn't actually have a physical inventory. Instead, when a customer makes an order, you purchase the item from a third party and they ship it directly to the customer. This means you'll never have to fork over a single dime to store your product or maintain your inventory. Advises international living. And you'll never have to buy products in bulk, hoping to sell enough to recoup your investment. This method can be done with online selling platforms like eBay or Amazon. You can find out more about drop shipping in the helpful article from Shopify. And another topic is how you can tutor someone. Establishing your own tutoring service can be a lucrative business that provides you with a comfortable and flexible lifestyle. Advises international living. The best part of all, you can set up a tutoring business almost any country in the world. A tip offer discount to clients who promote your business. Word of mouth marketing is still one of the best, not the best, most valuable marketing tool that you can have when starting out. Advises international living. The site tutors.com has a list of the best online tutoring jobs, and you can also apply to be a tutor at tutorme.com. And that's it today's for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.